Hi there, I had the same problem with my Beko WM5100W, doesn't spin after a wash and makes a crackling sound on the bottom left of the machine. So I decided totry and changed the selector first, but same issue. So I'm guessing we'll need to replace the board. My problem is after the first wash I did with after changing the selector, the crackling noise on the bottom left seams is more and the machine has leaked. Can that noise be from the drum?
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Do you get the crackling noise even if the drum isn't turning? Does it drain the water out okay? Regards.
Hi Daniel, the crackling noise occurs when the drum is moving, even if it's moving slowly. Water drains okay, the noise doesn't occur every time we do a wash. It doesn't spin every time we was 80% of the time. We normally use the 30-minute quick wash mode.
Hi, okay, the crackling noise is more than likely the carbon brushes in the motor. As when they wear low it arcs on the motor and this gives off the crackling noise. What you need to do is lean the washer backwards against a wall and get someone to hold for you. Then lay down and look under the washer. There you will see the back of the motor. Either side are the carbon brushes. Take them out and inspect them. If they have worn down very low, then they need to be replaced. Then retry the washer and this should cure the fault. As when these where it also stops the washer from spinning as well. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
Hi Daniel, the brushes do look a slightly worn, makes sense why the crackling sound does not occur every time. We'll replace carbon brushes and see if it sorts out the problem. Any problems I will get back to you. Regards.
Hi, no worries, fingers crossed, that should cure it. But if after replacing the brushes it's still arching from the motor, then I'm afraid it's the motor at fault here. But most of the time it's just the brushes, so that should cure it. Regards.
Hi Daniel, I have changed the brushes, but now the machine is spinning very weirdly / slowly and the motor sounds like it is struggling to turn. Is it possible I didn't fit the brushes properly? They seem to be in place properly, but it was a bit of a struggle to fit the one on the top left.
Hi, the brushes can only go in one place as the two screws hold them in. But just make sure it's the correct angled carbon. As if you look at the carbon, it's at an angle where it sits on the armature of the motor. If it's pointing the other way, then it will be noise when the drum turns and it will struggle. But if they are fine, then it's more than likely the motor at fault, I'm afraid here. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.